Reliance Industries is going to be in focus after Akash Ambani has been elevated as the chairman of Reliance Jio Infocom, and now let's not forget Mukesh Ambani has resigned as the director over there, but he continues to be the chairman at Jio Platforms, which includes Reliance Jio Infocom. So on the back of that, we will see some focus. The managing director of Reliance Jio Infocom will be Pankaj Mohan, who is appointed by the board for a period of 5 years from June 27th. Moving on, Mirza Internationals as well as Metro Brands also going to be in focus after footwear and leather exporters see a 10 to 20% order dip coming in, and exporters to be impacted due to the recession fears as well. GST Council also has increased the rate by 5% to 12% for leather finished products. So keeping an eye out on these two companies. Route Mobile also in focus. The board has approved a 120 crore buyback proposal with a per price share coming in at 1,700 rupees, not more than that. So keep an eye out on that. SIS2 in focus after the board is set to consider buyback proposal.